Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas Latest Designing. Today's video is going to be a very interesting for you, in which I will tell you how you can decorate your home interior decoration TV wall decor design. It is great nice looking of your favorite interior TV wall decoration ideas. Apart from this, how to make wall decorate of your house and which wall will look good on which wall and what colors can be used in the interior. Different colors can be used like English country styles here and there, and this is amazing nice looking. It is great look. Show this again, very beautiful decor ideas and wall decor TV decoration design, and it is great nice looking. Show this again, very beautiful TV wall decoration design and TV wall decor ideas and wood design ideas. And apart from this, if you like the video even a little, then please subscribe, like and share so that we can be encouraged. Thank you very much. And why this video? I show your picture of interior TV wall decoration ideas, latest designing, United States country style here and there. If you can enjoy this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas Latest Designing. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share these videos. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.